Hello everyone, I'm Becky, the International Sales from ETEC. Today I'm excited to introduce a compact, powerful and precisely designed machine, the EGV Vertical Grinder Empire series. The idea behind the machine is simple. We wanted to create a grinder that's space efficient, yet capable of high precision and multi-process performance, which is ideal for small and medium-sized workpieces. Many customers ask, what's the difference between the Empire and our C-type large vertical grinder? In simple terms, the C-type large vertical grinder is built for big, heavy-duty workpieces. EGV Empire vertical grinder is an agile solution. It's designed for a diameter 30 to 550 mm IDs, up to diameter 600 ODs, and grinding depths of 400 mm. With a table capacity of 500 kilograms, which is perfect for small to medium-sized parts, mass production and flexible machining. Though much smaller at 1.7 by 3.5 meters and 3.2 meters tall, the Empire still features professional-grade construction and high-precision design. With its Spindle swing rotary table X16 tool ATC, it offers flexible, multi-angle, multi-process capabilities. Let's start with structure and rigidity. Empire features a low-profile bed combined with our signature high-rigidity column, both treated with stress relief and aging process to prevent deformation and maintain precision during long-term operation. It's built for consistency even in high-duty, long-run jobs. Now to the slides. We use C1 grade, high-precision ball screws paired with roller-type linear guideways. The Empire features a 3-axis slide table design, adding an extra axis compared to traditional large vertical grinders, brings several key benefits. First, larger working area and load capacity. Thanks to the Gantry type structure and 3-axis slide table, Empire offers a larger working range and higher load capacity, even for small to medium parts. Second, high precision and stability. The 3-axis slide table uses high precision linear guideways and C1 grade ball screws, ensuring accurate positioning and stable motion ideal for repeated machining cycles, requiring consistent precision. Third, adaptability and flexibility. The Gantry type design allows the slide table lengths to be extended based on customer needs, adapting to various work environments and applications. Fourth, space saving. By positioning the Gantry structure above or below the work zone, floor space is optimized, maximizing factory space utilization. Moving to the spindle and multi-tool capability. Empire uses a built-in motorized spindle, known for its high speed, low interior, and rapid response. It's equipped with HSK E63 tooling and a cooling system to maintain stable precision even under continuous operation. Perfect for industries like mold making, aerospace, or medical components, where micro tolerances matter. The Spindle swing rotary table, driven by a servo motor and worm gear system, features 1-degree indexing, ideal for multi-angle and heavy-duty grinding. The rotary table spindle uses an integrated sleeve structure with wider spacing and preloaded precisioning, minimizing any precision loss caused by deflection or vibrations. And yes, we've equipped it with a 16-tool umbrella type ATC, supporting multi-process grinding with fast, reliable tool changes. Time saved, output boosted. Looking for automation? Empire is compatible with on-machine measurement systems like the RENISHAW RPM series with LP2 probes. It allows automated inspection and compensation, ensuring every part you ship meets spec every time. To wrap up, the EGV Empire is compact yet powerful, offering flexibility, precision, and efficiency, all in one smart machine. If you're looking to upgrade your grinding capabilities, talk to us at ETEC. Let's build the perfect solution for your shop floor together. Contact us at info@etectw.com. See you soon. Bye.